Hi, my name's Jason from Metra Electronics. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of the exciting products we have coming into the saddle Tramp line. The part that we have laid out on the bench today is part number BC-RGB-K1. This is a 12-piece LED strip kit for motorcycles, specifically the Harley-Davidson models from 1996 all the way up to the latest 2021 models. The kit is designed for touring models, so vehicles with the tour packs, with the hard bag lids, typically your street glides, your road glides, electric glides, any kind of CVO or anything like that. The benefit behind this kit is it is all plug and play, not only for the RGBs, but also tapping into the OE connectors. The OE connectors that are usually found underneath the seats to tap into accessory, ground, brake, and turn signals. So we've got watertight connections that we incorporated through this entire harness. So I'm going to take just a few minutes and show you some of the key features about this specific kit. So the first connector I'd like to tell you about is the 4-pin Molex watertight connection we're using on our RGB strips. You can see they plug right into each other. LED strip lights up, and what is great about this kit is we've taken heat shrink labels and we've told the installer where these are going to be mounted. And on our harnessing that we provide, we give the other end. So basically you plug in the front fender LED to the front fender LED. It's just that easy. The next set of connectors I'd like to tell you about are the connections we're using to tap into brake signal, turn signal, power, and ground just by plugging in a T-harness into the bike. So we're using existing factory style connectors. This particular connector is for the 96 to 13 Harley-Davidsons. It's the 8-pin plug, and it goes to a 4-pin connection that is on our RGB controller. The next the next applications that we're covering with the connection is the FLH X and the FLH RX, which is the 10 to 13 models. This particular models came with a different style of connector. So we've got that pre-wired and ready to be plugged in. Then of course, we've got the 14 and up T-harness. So this is going to cover all of your touring models with a touring pack or without. So that'll be the connector of choice. Now another exciting feature that I'd like to tell you about is our switch that comes pre-wired with this entire kit. So this switch is going to allow you to turn on your RGB lights while the ignition is off. So you simply, when the bike is shut off, you got to sit in a parking lot, maybe you're in a restaurant getting something to eat, you want to leave the lights running, all you have to do is turn this switch on and go eat. Now, to show you exactly how inclusive this entire kit is, we've got an installation pack here. And what this has in it are zip ties. It has 3M adhesion promoter packs, and it also has alcohol prep pads, because these RGB strips have 3M adhesive backing on them. So we're providing you with all of the accessories and the components that you're going to need to clean your motorcycle to make sure that these strips stick well. One of the other pieces that we have in the kit are the zip tie mounts, and where we're using these is on the saddlebag lids. So we've designed the kit and the saddlebag LED strip so that it is removable with the bag. You simply unplug the RGB strip, take the saddlebag off, and now you can maintenance your bike as you see fit. These zip tie holders will allow you to zip tie the RGB wire up the inside of the bag so that you don't have wires dangling down. Now the last and probably the most important component of this entire kit is going to be the RGB controller that we're including with the kit. It's going to use the Metra Electronics RGBW app. It can be found on the Android or the Apple Store. You simply connect to your RGB controller and select your color. You can also program your trigger colors, your brake and your turn signal trigger colors directly through the app. If you'd like more information on the app, we do have a video going through all the features and benefits of Metra's RGBW app. Now, some of the support accessories that we have for this kit are going to be just some Y harnesses, both the male and female terminals, and then also some pigtails with open-ended bare wires, so you can extend the kit or add in additional LED strips with little to no effort. So you can see from what we've shown you today that the Saddle Tramp line really is putting a focus on the installer, but also the consumer. Making an app that's user-friendly, making a kit that's easy to install, and allowing the customer to have the accent lighting that they're looking for on whatever year range motorcycle that they have, 1996 all the way up to the latest 2021. For more information, you can always log on to metraonline.com and find out our full selection of all of our Saddle Tramp parts we have available.